Wait, have you been on the channel yet?
No, this is my first time.
I'm sorry, Andrea wasn't here to introduce. This is Sarah. She's the OG, the original. She's sissy number one. We love her. She's the funniest person I know, like legit. And
you have a sad life.
You guys are gonna love Sarah. She needs to be on all of the stuff.
Should we jump into puddles? Not on strangers, they wouldn't like that, but it would be awesome if we could film splashing neighbors.
At the end, I'm just gonna lay down on the ground.
And you have to yell, splash zone, really loud, and everyone will be like,
I love it. We're gonna do it all, and then we're gonna tell you guys about it later. Hi.
hi.
We're doing another takeover of the Tiki channel.
Oh, excellent.
We're the suspicious Tikis.
The suspicious. Excellent. And we're hardcore runners.
Yeah, do you see what's behind us? We're going to be running in the rain.
Let's unfog it.
Yeah, it is kind of foggy. It's really rainy today. It's the only time I welcomed the porta potty because it's sheltered us from the rain.
And I will say, like, if we're can we review porta potties at races? Is that something that's been done?
Oh, yeah, no. I don't think the Tikis have done porta potty reviews.
I feel like that's a different, because
This is Sarah's thing. She's going to review the bathroom situation.
Yeah, so just a backstory. I would love to have one day just tour the rest areas on freeways to just rate them. And it takes me back to when we went to Disney.
Yeah.
Remember when I visited every bathroom
You did.
And I was disappointed.
She was very pregnant and had to stop at every single bathroom. And it got to the point where I would just be like, there's a bathroom there. Do you want to use it?
But the Morocco bathroom looked just like Canada's bathroom, which
Yeah.
is like, Disney, you're letting me down.
Yeah.
But you said not everybody goes to every bathroom, so...
Yeah, I mean, I think, like, you shouldn't expect much in Morocco because they wreck those bathrooms in there.
But
I don't know what it is.
Anyways, the porta potty here, awesome, good shape, thank you.
Yeah, wow.
Turkey trails.
Probably because nobody's here, also.
Oh, yeah.
is-
And the heat is down.
And the heat is down.
Yeah.
Either way.
Yeah.
So far, great race. We haven't even started. We can't really film while we're doing it because it is rainy out there, but...
So just the standing out, and I'm pretty soaked.
Look at that.
That was just the walking. So we're going to see what we look like after this 5K.
All right, see you soon.
Bye.
Okay. So we're trying to brainstorm things to, like, film in the car for this... Like, we're sitting in a car for a race, basically. Oh, that's... Can you share some of the ideas that you had?
Well, Suspicious Tikis, you guys have a great thing going, and we are grateful that you're allowing us to be part of,
Yeah.
but not all at once. Like, The Simpsons had their start. They started with Tracy Ullman. They just had like a little 5-minute things. And so my thought was, could we maybe test the waters of a potential podcast that would work? And it would be conversation starters that you wish you hadn't. So have you ever been in that situation where you're talking and you're just like killing time and you're like, oh, I'm so bored. I wish I hadn't even brought...
Like a struggle session.
It's a struggle session.
Yeah.
Or like you're trying to... like you actually initiated this conversation and you immediately are bored with the topic. And so I was thinking about, like, we talked about auto-tune on the way here and how auto-tune has taken away something from the vocalist.
Yeah.
But then I thought, could you auto-tune a race? Are there other places where auto-tune could jump in? And I realized that is the most boring conversation I ever had. So I immediately stopped it. But, so those that watch Suspicious Tikis, just send in some topics that you think are just horrible and we'll see what we can do with it. Maybe we'll throw it together, make a nice little casserole.
Brainstorm session.
Conversation casseroles, we call this.
So first, conversation casserole. I am curious about the life of a lunch lady.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
what are some things people would be surprised about to hear about lunch ladies in your world?
Okay, so do you want the serious
yeah,
kind of things?
yeah,
Okay.
or the funny, whatever you want to do.
The biggest thing is how much regulation. USDA, under making sure children have adequate nutrition, the amount of regulatory, it's not just food on a plate. So we have to calculate caloric intake based on days of the week, based on days that kids are off. And so it really is quite extensive information that goes into it. The other thing about lunch ladies is the amount of influence that one can have with students. This is the streets. You come into my line, I will feed you, but you are not getting things for free. This is not the way life works. My hope is that the whole Chris Farley lunch lady thing, like even the word lunch lady, because I think like keeping out a whole population, like a whole gender of males that maybe would be amazing at that job that don't show up because they're like, I can't be a lunch lady.
Yeah.
Like, it's a great career and it's amazing. So you've got your regulars at a, like you've got customers that come in a lot.
Yeah.
Like where you work.
Yeah.
And you know them and you catch up on them. So I've got regulars, they come in every day. And so I really treat the students, they're my customers and we refer to them as customers. And I always try to bring a slant of, it's nutrition, but also like, what are we doing to take care of our mind? So then that piece of me being like yoga instructor, children's yoga, I want to bring that wellness to the nutrition. I would love some help to maybe talk to USDA about some of their ideas of what constitutes things, because I think there's a lot more we can do with nutrition. And I think bringing that holistic approach and education into the lunchroom will hopefully make healthier people all around. So
Listen, don't forget your lunch ladies when you're talking about how great the teachers are. They're helping raise your kids. So this is the real deal.
Yep.
So at this point of the video, there would be like tons of B-roll to show like what the race was like, but I wasn't able to film that because it was so rainy. So just imagine like leaves and trees. There was like a little creek, so there's probably like salamanders in there, maybe some frogs, maybe some crawdads. I don't know. It was, and like there were bridges. We went over bridges. We went under bridges. We went over the freeway at one point. People were like dressed up like turkeys. And like there were tutus and all kinds of stuff. And then I don't know. We like finished the race. I didn't get to film it, but like everyone came and they were cheering us on and they were like, oh yeah, go Amy, Sarah. And they lifted us on their shoulders and like carried us around because they were so impressed with how good we were at racing. And they just like bestowed us with medals and fruit and goods, so we really impressed a lot of people, and I wish I would have had my camera there to film it all, but fortunately you're just gonna have to relive it with me like this way.
Hello, welcome. Did you know who I am now? Second place in my age group, everybody.
Second place.
Oh wait, I gotta show you. Here it is. See, you don't have to kill yourself to get a medal. I walked it.
Look at
We
that.
Oh,
yes, queen. Show off your medal.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh.
And you can spin it.
The pie gets eaten little bit by little bit. That's pretty fancy.
And see, that's me walking.
Yep. And eating your pie.
They should have put pie stops. If it wasn't raining, that would have been great to have a little pie.
Oh,
like
totally.
eat pie while you're walking.
Yeah,
Or
totally.
running. Yeah.
We were walking.
We were into it.
Yeah.
Well, and I think Amy gets wet award though. You were the wettest.
Wait.
Of all.
I don't know if you can see me, but
Oh yeah.
I'm very cold and
Yes.
very drenched.
Definitely.
So
But we did it.
excellent
We did it. We
job,
didn't give up 'cause of the
sissy.
weather.
No.
We didn't back down.
I mean, you still haven't backed down. You're just getting treacherous right now.
We had a great conversation.
We
and
did.
I put this in the back of the car.
All right.
See you later. Check the leader.
All right.
All right. So the sign off time.
Hustling. Yeah, we're gonna
Hustling with my home slice, which you are kind of my home slice. Like,
Yeah, that's what we did.
I just lived a year and a half without you, so that's not a long time. Without,
Yeah.
So that is a home slice.
Yeah, completely.
Home slice.
Oh, and they gave us pie, you guys.
Oh yeah, I got a cherry pie.
Sarah got cherry.
Yeah.
I got pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to come up with a suspicious Tikis sign off that's different than the suspicious Tikis sign off.
Yeah, the
The
suspicious.
suspicious Sisters in the Shade.
Let's see.
We're just drawing a blank. I think we were Shady
Yeah.
Sisters today because I'm not convinced that we did the full 5K.
Oh, I think we did. The ground.
I didn't wear my watch, so I have no idea.
But why would they have spray painted on the ground?
But like, I don't know if they did. I feel like they maybe that was from like the park or something. I don't know. That's suspicious.
We did do a pretty good mile. I think we did it. You're having imposter syndrome right now. You did it. We
Listen,
did. And
she
you don't
said-
have your watch to confirm either.
I
This is
don't
the
have,
best part.
I can't confirm or deny that. I just
Okay.
feel like that is the fastest
I
I
have
would
a
have
solution.
been able to do.
I have a solution to this. If you really feel like you didn't, we can get back out there in the rain.
I'm good.
Or we could go out the 10K way. No. They said you're right past the water station, right by the bridge, turn back around.
But were we supposed to go past the bridge? I don't know.
I think it's fine.
We're fine.
Yeah.
We didn't make any money off of this.
Yeah, this is not going to be.
Yeah. All right.
So we're signing off with, okay.
Shady Sisters.
Okay.
Signing
Shady
off.
Sisters. Shady Sisters signing off.
Yeah,
Okay.
signing off.
Shady Sisters shine. Wait, no, not shining. Shady Sisters signing off.
That's beautiful.
Shady Sisters signing off.
Oh my gosh.
Do you think that'd be a good one?
It's so beautiful.
All right.
Bye. Love you.